Huju, wago shindigu minawa migizi and dodem, gazabasqua jimekag indun jaba. Welcome everybody. My name is Anton Troyer, and I was giving you a brief introduction in my Ojibwe language to tell you that my native name is Wagush, which means fox. I'm from the Eagle Clan, and I come from Leech Lake. I'm also a husband, a father of 9 beautiful children. It's never dull at my place. I'm someone who does a lot of cultural work in Ojibwe communities. I officiate at traditional funerals and life ceremonies. In my professional work, I'm a professor of Ojibwe at Bemidji State University. I also travel all over the place doing racial equity and cultural competency work, and I'm an author of 20 books, including Everything You Wanted to Know About Indians, but Were Afraid to Ask. I'm so excited that the Detroit Lakes Public School System has agreed to do a one read of this book. And I'm excited not only for you to have and read the book, but to engage with you in conversation throughout this process and to come and meet with you so we can not just debrief, but really have a great conversation, facilitation, and dialogue where you'll get to expand upon this, ask questions, and speak directly to me. Thank you so much for leaning in to this really important effort. Miigwech.
Hi, my name is Evan. I'm Anton's son. I'm glad you're all reading this book. I wish more schools taught about Native Americans. I like to learn about the world. But there's nothing about me in most of the books. Thanks.
Thank you again for the care of our children and also for leaning into this really important effort to help make the world a better place and help us all be more effective in our work as educators. If you have questions as you start digging into the book, feel free to send them out, and I'll look forward to connecting with all of you in person once you've had a chance to read the book. Thank you.